Well, hello there. I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making puff pastry cheese straws. These are so delicious and easy to make. They only require 2 ingredients. So, let's start.
First thing we're gonna do is grab our sheets of puff pastry. Lay them on a baking sheet. And with a knife, cut some strips from it. Lay them evenly on the baking sheet. And give them a twist. Repeat the step with all your strips of puff pastry. Now add some grated cheese over the top. You can choose any cheese you want, as long as it melts well. Now put everything on your baking sheet. This goes into the oven. And when it comes out of the oven, it looks like this.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking and I'll see you next time at your dinner.